Tea Party attorney Jay Sekulow, he represents some 38 groups who say that they were unfairly targeted by the IRS. The president, as you know, Jay, is saying not so. Let's move on. What do you think?
Yeah, well, a U.S. Court of Appeals in the District of Columbia has acknowledged the targeting scheme. And here's the other thing. The president keeps saying it didn't happen, but the Lois Lerner admitted it happened. She said that they targeted based on names and policy positions.
So what was he saying, Jay? That's what confused me. Then what was the president saying to say this is a funding issue, this is it's a bad law, obviously dropping that on Congress's lap, but what is he saying? Yeah, a bad law that's been around since 1954, by the way. I mean, please. And I guess it wasn't a bad law when all the left of center groups got their tax exemption. It wasn't such a bad law then, including groups that supported the president. But here's the reality. Let's look at what we do know. Regardless of the emails that we can't find, we do know from emails that we have found that, in fact, Lois Lerner was in cahoots with the Department of Justice to, in their words, quote, piece together, this is what she said, potential criminal cases against our clients for exercising their freedom of speech. So the president should not have said what but he's been doing this. He did it with Bill O'Reilly. He did this. He's in a state of denial. His own Justice Department is supposedly still investigating this criminally. So I guess the president's playing prosecutor and jury here, but it's his IRS that's done this, and they should be held accountable. Well, I think Reddy interviewed, to your point, whether you agree or disagree, whatever your politics are, he has to check with all his chiefs to say, where do we stand on this if it ever comes out? Yeah. Just doing your homework, you know? But yeah. Okay. And he would find out if he checked with his Department of Justice. Supposedly, there's an ongoing investigation. He would also find out that in a case called Z Street, which was targeted because they were a pro-Israel group, they were targeted because they took a position different than the administrations on the Middle East. They were targeted. The IRS admitted the targeting here. The FEC and the Department of Justice were in conversations with Lois Lerner and the IRS. So the president could say all this he wants, but the reality is, Neil, at the end of the day, you've been covering this for a long time, we already have the smoke. We already have the fire. We'd like to get the rest of the evidence because I suspect it's a 5-alarm fire when we see the rest of these emails. Yeah, especially when these agencies themselves launch an investigation into said 5-alarm fire. Jay, thank you very, very much. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Neil.